Editing morphs, solid element operations. Splitting the morph. One option to create a plinth is to simply split the bigger volume into two at a specific height. This will not only separate the geometries, but we can then add different colors to the different parts of our conceptual model. Display the editing plane using the View, Editing Plane Display Menu command. Position the editing plane on top of the site morph. Select the editing plane local palette and choose Offset. Set 1000 as the distance. Hover your cursor over the apparent intersection line of the morph in the editing plane until a blue snap guide appears. With the Morph tool active, select the morph and activate the Split command of the standard toolbar. Click one of the blue snap guides to select an edge of the cutting plane, and then click on the point where the other snap guide intersects the vertical morph edge. Click below the plane with the eye cursor to keep that part selected after the splitting action. Open the morph settings from the info box and change the surface override to Paint, Sand Beige. Click OK. Deselect the plinth. Additional site geometry. Let's add an extra part to the site as a terrace and see how we can fine-tune its appearance. Draw another box-type morph, starting from the midpoint of the curved part to the midpoint of the offset face at the bottom. Before clicking the second corner, however, type D10000 and press Enter to extend the rectangle. Set the height 1000 by clicking on the top edge of the plinth. Keep Ctrl+Shift pressed, as this will enable temporary sub-element selection. Select the shorter, fully visible top edge of the last morph. Click again on the selected edge to make the pet palette appear, and choose Offset Edge. Set the editing plane to horizontal if necessary. Set a distance of 1000 and press Enter. Repeat with the other edge as well. Now select the resulting ridge only and apply Fillet Chamfer from the standard toolbar, also available on the pet palette, using a radius of 1000 for the fillet. Click OK. Cleaning up intersecting geometries. We will use solid element operations for cleaning up the geometries to remove the common part of the terrace in the building. SEO commands work similarly as Boolean operations, but can be applied to all types of elements. With the filleted morph selected, activate Connect/solid element operations from the context menu. Since the morph was selected, it will be automatically marked as a target element. The operation will be carried out on these types of elements. Select the plinth geometry only, with the palette still opened, and click Get Operator Elements. This operation will be carried out by these elements. Make sure that subtraction with upward extrusion is used as an operation, and click Execute. Close the palette. An icon will appear informing you about the smart connection of the related elements. This way, if one of the connected element changes, the connection will be automatically updated. Let's modify this terrace now, and say we want to modify the height of the morph. Use Ctrl+Shift to select the top face. Use Drag and elevate the face by 500. Keep Shift pressed to maintain vertical movement.